A woman accused of stalking the family of Madeleine McCann has given evidence in her defence. The court in Leicester heard the 24-year-old genuinely believes she was the missing girl who disappeared in Portugal in 2007. Martin Brunt was there.
Julia Wandelt spent 2 hours in the witness box speaking confidently in English and answering questions from her lawyer about her own identity. She said she still believes that her Polish parents are not her real mother and father. Their hair and eye colour were different from hers, she said. They didn't talk about her childhood, and when she questioned them more, they refused to show her her birth certificate or do a DNA test, she said. As a child, she told the court, she was abused by an elderly relative, a man her father told her had once abducted somebody. She began to suspect she was an abducted missing girl, she said, and started to research missing people websites. That's how she discovered the McCann case, a name that meant nothing to her before that, and she started to think that she could be Madeleine McCann. I just wanted to know who I am. Then she discovered her abuser shared the same surname as a previous suspect in the Madeleine McCann case. That, for her, she said, was a big factor. She said she didn't approach the McCann's family initially because she didn't want to give them false hope and it would be upsetting for them. Then she did contact Madeleine's parents. Why did she do that? She was asked by her lawyer. Because I think they were misled, because if the police treated their daughter's case the way they treated me, I'm not surprised they didn't find their daughter. She said she hadn't intended harm to the McCanns and had a lot of sympathy for them, even though, she went on, I'm in prison for 8 months because they look for their child and I look for my parents. Wandelt will continue to give evidence in court in the morning.